We're protecting our chicken coop today with one of the smartest safety features I've seen in a while. This sign right here. This sign is 8 by 12 and it comes shipped to your door ready to be hung up and protect your chickens, as well as your property. It's made out of a nice metal and the graphic looks great. And the best feature? It has 4 little hole punches on the corners, making hang up easy. I took some thumbtacks and tacked it into the door of our chicken room. As you can see, they were still in the brooder box, but they weren't trained yet. But we didn't want the public to know, so we placed the sign and began our chicken training. As the days went on, the chickens got more brave. They left the brooder box and began venturing the backyard. Now they know Kung Fu and are living up to the sign. They keep our property protected and our huskies fed. I can't say whether or not the sign is the reason that our chickens grew up so big and strong, but no one came in and messed with our chickens as they were growing up, and we had peace and quiet to give me time to actually train them. I can't help but think it's because of the warning. If I saw that, I would go running before ever looking at the chickens. So in my opinion, it's a funny, smart, and protective feature that anyone can add to their coop. So even if your chickens aren't that trained, maybe you can convince others that they are with the help of this sign. So if you're looking for some extra security for your coop, this sign might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go hang out with my attack chickens. See ya!